Meet Rex, the only mobile stretcher designed for rapid patient movement in any emergency setting. Whether it's MCI response, technical extraction or hospital operations, Rex can do more, with fewer personnel, than any other system. Rex's multifunctional design provides responders with the flexibility of a backboard, stretcher, stair descender and gurney, all in one device. The 360-degree maneuverability allows responders to safely move patients, of any size, over all types of terrain and conditions. Rex's folding design allows it to be stored, or hung, virtually anywhere. Its simple rapid setup capability ensures it is ready for emergency operations in less than 30 seconds. Rex plays a vital role in hospital surge scenarios. When resources are taxed, and rapid movement of multiple patients to points of care is crucial, Rex aids in meeting the golden hour objective. Rex acts as a true force multiplier by enabling a single responder to transport patients to external treatment areas or the ED for definitive care. Rex also has stair descent capabilities for evacuating patients during emergency operations. A hand brake lever, located on the tow bar, actuates brake rods next to each tire. A hand strap located near the headrest is used to ensure patient safety during descent. It is recommended that stair descent operations be performed by a two-person team, with at least one of the team members having familiarity with the Rex descent procedure. Always ensure the patient is properly secured with the patient restraint straps. Orientate the Rex as needed, in order for the patient to be facing away from the stairway. Ensure the forward kickstand is raised, and actuate the brake lever. The tires should not be able to move when the brake lever is fully depressed. The assisting team member uses the hand strap for safety, and to guide the descent. Bring the Rex to the edge of the first step, and allow it to gently roll onto the second step by applying just enough brake tension to control the descent. This simple, repetitive procedure is followed step by step until the descent is complete. The assisting team member should maintain tension on the hand strap for safety at all times. Team members should communicate with each other during stair descent operation, and, if need be, reassure the patient. Once on a landing, Rex can be easily maneuvered into the starting position for the next flight of stairs, if one exists.
Getting from the floors upstairs to downstairs, we don't have to move the patient from a bed to a different type of evacuation tool back into a wheelchair or gurney. Rex allows you to move the patient from the bed to the Rex, down and out of the facility.
This unique capability of Rex to extend patient movement beyond a stairway greatly enhances outcomes by speeding the process of delivering patients to definitive points of care. To optimize patient care, the Rex is easily augmented to support oxygen and fluid delivery systems. When returning to evacuate additional patients, the Rex's lightweight design allows it to be easily carried back up the stairway by the team members. From internal operations to surge response and emergency evacuation, Rex enhances any event by improving patient outcomes.
With the Rex components in front of you, ensure the frame's headrest is facing up and pointed away. Now, locate the right side wheel, identified by a green label, and place it next to the right side of the frame. Stand the Rex frame upright, with the headrest pointed down. Identify the wheel axle insertion point. It is the larger of the 5 holes on the pivot joint. Pick up the right wheel. Familiarize yourself with how pressing the large black button on the wheel's hub actuates release pins on the axle. To install the wheel, first align the axle with the insertion point. Pivot the wheel until it is parallel to the frame and the axle seats into the opening. Next, press and hold the button on the wheel's hub. This will allow the wheel to be pushed into the insertion point and lock in place. Units equipped with braking rods may have alignment issues if a fender covers the rod. To correct this, simply rotate the fender until the wheel can contact the rod. Retrieve the left wheel, and use the identical process to install it on the opposite side of the frame. Lower Rex back with the headrest facing up. From the side, locate and pull the release cable located between the panels. Once disengaged, the upper panel may be raised and will lock into place automatically. Tilt Rex back so the headrest is resting on the floor. Locate and pull the second release cable between the panels. Raise the lower panel while pulling the release cable so it can fully extend. Locate the tow bar release pin and pull it downward. This allows the tow bar to swing upward and lock into place. Now raise the forward kickstand to its extended and locked position. Lower the fully assembled Rex onto the ground for final adjustments. Use the release cable to adjust the backrest to a preferred position. It is important to ensure that both fenders are properly secured to the frame using the Velcro connection points. Finally, release and pivot the headrest. Push it down firmly to lock it in place. If used for stair descent operations, attach the included safety strap to the connection point. Congratulations! Your Rex is now ready to move patients and save lives.